Hello, my name is Jonathan Husbeck.
And I'm Tanner Lunsford.
Today we're going to present on an article we found saying how Chinese gene editing could backfire. Babies might have shorter lives. The problem that we found in the article was last year, a scientist from China created a storm of controversy when he claimed he'd used gene editing technology to create designer twin babies. Now, a new study is highlighting one of those dangers of that endeavor. Researchers have found that the gene mutation the scientists used, affecting a gene called CCR5, or when it's mutated as a CCR5 delta 32, is associated with a shorter lifespan. The article claims that people who carry two copies of the mutation are about 20% more likely to die by the age of 75.
So, some possible outcomes we have from this CCR5 delta 32 gene mutation is that CCR5 is an important gene in many processes in the body. If you mess with this mutation, the side effects could be harmful and even cause earlier than expected death. Outcome two is as technology becomes more powerful and less expensive, the opportunities are plentiful. This could also lead to unwanted results, like stated in outcome one, or the expected death rate could be reduced depending on the change of this mutation. Outcome number three is the introduction of the CCR5 delta 32 mutation could help prevent and protect newborn children against HIV.
So, we're going to take a deeper dive into the article. With some help from history and data collected that we found at gapminder.com, we believe that the article provides powerful information on the general path of the future life expectancy in people with this homozygous CCR5 mutation or CCR5 delta 32 have lower life expectancy rates. Some data we collected. So the data we collected was from a recent source from gapminder.com showing the trends of life expectancy in China increasing into 2096 and even beyond. How does this new discovery of the mutated CCR5 gene affect the life expectancy? Well, as stated in the article and previously in our slides, people who carry two copies of the mutation are about 20% more likely to die by the age of 75. We believe with that discovery that the life expectancy will change as a result of this mutation. As it is a fairly new discovery, there is no graph that reasonably shows the implications of the mutation of the CCR5 gene. So we have shown here on the right the life expectancy of China that is expected without the mutation, but we expect it to be still increasing with the mutation, just at a slower rate.
So, some side effects of HIV and AIDS are accelerated aging, cognitive impairment, cancer, tuberculosis. These are all uh, life reducing symptoms. And the CCR5 delta 32 could reduce the ability to get this HIV disease, which could lead to higher life expectancy rates. The problem is the side effects of the CCR5 delta 32 are that you are more susceptible to influenza and West Nile virus because it takes away the CCR5 gene on the outside of your white blood cells, which could reduce the effectiveness of them. So the benefits of the CCR5 delta 32 are obviously that it improves the resistance to HIV, but it also can improve memory and resistance to smallpox. There could be many more benefits and side effects to this, but there is just not enough data and experiments to find out yet. So, in conclusion, we believe that our hypothesis is not really correct, but we are not for sure. So obviously, with HIV, people are 20% more likely to die by the age of 75 in China. But we believe with technological advances and critical thinking and future experiments and data and analysis that people understand that the CCR5 delta 32 mutation actually will increase the life expectancy, but very minimal compared to what a person in good health would be. So in the future, people of good health could rise to 100, and people with the CCR5 delta 32 mutation could rise to 80, we believe. But we don't believe that it will fall in the near future.
Here's our last slide. It includes our sources from scholarly articles, websites, books, and data sources. If you would like us to include a copy of our Google Slides below, we can, so you can watch it at your own pace. I hope you enjoyed our slideshow. Thank you.